Liquid chromatography. Today we are discussing about the liquid chromatography. Then liquid chromatography introduction and retention mechanism in liquid chromatography method development. So liquid chromatography is a chromatic technique in which mobile phase is a liquid. So liquid chromatography is much older technique than the gas liquid chromatography, but was overshadowed by the rapid development of gas chromatography 1950s to 1960s. So liquid chromatography currently dominate the types of chromatography and is even the replacing of gas chromatography. It is more traditional application. Advanced liquid chromatography compared to the gas chromatography. So liquid chromatography can be applied to separations of any compounds that is soluble in the liquid phase. So liquid chromatography is more useful in the separations of biological compounds, synthetic and natural polymers, and inorganic compounds. Liquid mobile phase allows the liquid chromatography to be used at the lower temperature than the required by the gas chromatography. Liquid chromatography is better suited than the gas chromatography for the separations of compounds that may be thermal labile. What are the advantages of liquid chromatography compared to gas chromatography? Retention solutes in the liquid chromatography depends on their interaction with both the mobile phase and stationary phase. Gas chromatography retention based on the volatility and interactions with the stationary phase. Liquid chromatography is more flexible, optimizing separations of changes either stationary and mobile phase. Most of the liquid chromatography detectors are non-destructive. So most of the gas chromatography detectors are destructive. So liquid chromatography is better suited from the preparative or process scale preparation. Disadvantages of liquid chromatography compared to gas chromatography. Liquid chromatography is subject to great peak and bond broadening of resolution, so much larger diffusions coefficients of solutes in gases versus liquids. So liquid low and high performance liquid chromatography is many types of liquid chromatography are available based on different stationary phase and mobile phase combinations. Each type may be further characterized by based on its overall efficiency performance. Liquid low performance liquid chromatography methods that use large non-rigid support material, particularly particles more than 40 millimeters in diameters, poor system efficiency and large plate heights. Such systems have the following characteristics: broad peaks, poor limits of the detections, long separations, and columns can only tolerate the operating pressures. So this is the column how the chromatography column solvent and reservoirs. This is the solvent reservoirs. So this is column head and also column backing and porous glass here. So column chromatography and examples of equipments of performance of liquid chromatography. Sample usually applied to directly on column detections of fractions of with the lateral analyze each fractions. High performance liquid chromatography methods that use small uniform rigid support material, particularly less than 40 micrometers in diameter, usually 3 to 10 micrometers in the practice. Good system efficiency and small plates heights. Such systems have following characteristics: narrow peaks and shorter separations. So a typical HPLC like a solvent and pump is 500 psi and injectors, column and detector, and finally waste. So higher operations pressures needs to mobile phase and delivery requires the special pumps and other compounds and sample applied using the closed system injective values. Detector uses a flow through the detector. Similar to gas chromatography, solutes can be eluted from a column by using either a constant column conditions or gradient elutions. So isocratic elutions use a constant mobile phase compositions to the elute solutes sample and unexpected difficulty to elute all solute with good resolution in a reasonable amount of time. Generations of elutions problems. Gradient elutions changing the compositions of the mobile phase with the time solvent performing and going from a weak mobile phase to strong one, and weak mobile phase solvent A and strong mobile phase is solvent B. Solvent changes the stepwise linearity. This is solvent A, this is solvent A, this is solvent B, that is weak mobile phase, and is solvent A. Gradient elution, mixture and amino acids. So these are the how the gradients amino acids. So liquid chromatography, introduction, retentions, and so types of liquid chromatographies. Retention of mechanism. These techniques are liquid chromatography classified into solute separation, adsorption chromatography, partition chromatography, ion exchange chromatography, adsorption chromatography. Here, advanced liquid chromatography. This is affinity chromatography, size exclusion chromatography, advanced liquid chromatography. The technique separates the solutes based on their adsorptions on underweighted solid particles. Unknown the adsorption chromatography or liquid solid chromatography. This techniques also is suited from the non-polar some small particles like micro molecular weight is less than 5,000. So one advantage is here. So adsorption of chromatography as is also true the gas chromatography, that it's able to retain the and separate some compounds that cannot be separated by other methods. So one such applications is not separation geometrically. Mechanism retention solute the absorption chromatography can be viewed so as a solute A displacing the molecules and solute from the surface. So partition chromatography, this is partitions. Here some two parts here, phase 1 and phase 2. Partition chromatography, liquid to liquid chromatography is chromatographic technique which solute are separated based on their partition between a liquid mobile phase and a liquid stationary phase coated on a solid support. The support material used in partitions chromatography is usually silica, unbounded and bonded stationary phase. Mechanism: the retentions of solute in the partition chromatography is given to applications. Partition chromatography. So ion pair chromatography, ion exchange chromatography. Ion exchange chromatography is liquid chromatography technique which solutes the separated by which are the absorptions like containing the fixed charges containing the fixed charges. So how the mechanism? So affinity chromatography, this is the antibody and antigen sensitivity. You can detect the antibodies and antigens. And size exclusion chromatography for polymer biopolymers. Retention of solutes depends on standard entropy effect. Diameter the pore is very important for solute selectivity. Multiple pore size should be for separated solute with different sizes. So liquid chromatography the problem where the liquid chromatography the problem the definition mode of selections and selective optimizations and system the optimization methods validations. So this is the selections mobile form. Particularly liquid chromatography applications can be done by using the various tables that summarize the properties of liquid chromatography. So mobile phase and the stationary phase, these are two phases of chromatography. Today we are talking about the liquid chromatography. So these are the related about the liquid chromatography and what are the steps of liquid chromatography, what are the things of liquid chromatography. Thank you and thank you very much.